so the next exercise that we're going to do today is a tricep workout for the quadriceps. We're going to use 3 compound movements, okay? So we're going to start off with a barbell squat, followed by walking barbell lunges, and then followed up then by an incline leg press. Okay, so Martin's going to start off showing us the barbell squat, okay? So his heels are hip width apart, toes are slightly turned out just to avoid any pressure on the knees. Back is straight, his head is up. 3 more. It's always advised just to have a training partner behind you, just to give you a little support just in case you come into any difficulties. Okay, so we're going to walk to the side, that's right. So now we're going to go into a barbell lunges, walking lunges, okay? Okay, now turn around. Okay, so he's going to give me 4 more. Back is straight. Okay, great. Okay, so we'll put the barbell back on the stand. Okay, great. So now we're going to move over to the incline leg press, okay? So again, heels are hip width apart, toes are slightly turned out. Just going to bring it in. And when you push it forward, try not to lock out the legs, okay? Just keep the knees slightly bent. Okay, give me 1 more. Okay, so there we have it. A tricep workout for the quadriceps.